Morning here with Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. We're here today in Grand Bend, Ontario. A beautiful home behind me, right on the river. Today we're going to be installing a Duradek system. So what's great about this system, it's the ideal product if you have a deck that you want to enjoy, not put a wooden deck on top, but truly stand on the roofing system, lay out your garden furniture, whatever you like, enjoy it without just having different wood systems around it. So it's a beautiful roofing system. We'll show you what it looks like. We're on a beautiful river behind us. So it's a nice patio that the client will be able to enjoy and look out and enjoy the scenery. We'll show you what it looks like. Hope you like it. Thanks a lot. Okay, welcome back. So the plywood has already been installed. This is a mortar mix. So what that does, remember it's a vinyl roofing system. So you really, when it goes down, you want to make sure it's nice, clean, flat. There's not going to be any bumps underneath the person's feet, because once you glue it down to the plywood, that's it, it's not taking it, there's no taking it out. So there's two ways. You can either hand sand it or use a mechanical sander. You want to get it as smooth as you can. So it doesn't transplant from underneath the wood to through the roofing membrane. You don't see the joints of the plywood and stuff. So there you go. It's almost ready to go. We got probably another hour or so of sanding, making sure it's nice and clean, blowing it clean, and then we start putting the glue. So there you go. The deck's almost ready to go. Again, there's a beautiful scenery outside. This will be a wonderful deck for the Duradek system. Show you what it looks like once we get this clean and ready for glue. Thank you. Welcome back. Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. We finished the roof. The roof turned out beautiful. Again, it's a spot where you can enjoy the beach and the river, the canal, and the lake. A spot where you can just sit out here without having to put a wood deck. So that's it. This is the waterproofing system. Somebody else did the woodworking. We helped sand it, and we did some wall detailing work, some perimeter work, some metal flashing. Again, this is Duradek, a perfect system for what this is made for. Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. We're in Grand Bend. If you're in the southwestern Ontario area, we'd love to hear from you. You can find us online at legacyroofs.com. Thank you so much.